Arrive in style with this 2015 BMW 7 Series. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are anthracite Alcantara headliner, cold weather package included, ski back heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, walnut honeywood trim, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, air suspension, active suspension, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.